Hello friends, welcome back. Today we have the Realme Pad 3 with us, and I'll show you how to enable auto screen rotation. Just follow the simple steps to turn this feature on or off easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's start.